Gwarinde hili
Ruhonge rwa borithi ni rwathite maabithaa a borithi aria matekuruhanite na mathomo megie ukui kwa gwikuruhania na mihango ya traffic barabara-ini. Watho uyu urekereirio ni munene wa borithi JAPHETH KOOME hindi ya gikaro na andiki a mohoro kuria amurire MAABITHA murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa traffic.
Incidentally, we have reorganized traffic. Unlike the past, all responsibilities regarding traffic matters in the country will be on the Commandant Traffic, Madam Mary Omari, Assistant Inspector General. The whole country. Na hau kabere wigiririku wa kugathika maabithaa a borithi wira barabara-ini urari moko-ini ma sub county commanders na rari na rutha rwa kugathika obithaa o wothe no riu ni maabithaa aria mekuruhanite na mathomo megie ukui marerutaga wira uyu. Any incident happening any part of this country, we are going to hold to account.
Ciumigire hituku maabithaa makiria ma 1,000 ni mamukirire mathomo megie ukui thukuru-ini wa Kiganjo, mathomo maria moire mieri 2 magitanyo kugacirithia ugitiri barabara-ini na kuhukia mitino ira ithiite na mbere na kunina a Kenya mwaka uyu makiria ma 3,999 magikua.
We are seeing increase in murder cases kwa sababu ya ulevi. We are drinking too much. Accidents again kwa sababu ya ulevi.
Aithorite ikuo nyingi ciumanite na maundu mangigirereka na kuria a Kenya gukorwo na wigirereki hindi no ya mambura ma thigukuu na mwaka mweru.
Operating defective vehicles, failure to use safety belts by commuters, speeding, driver fatigue, then driving under the influence of alcohol, drugs and dangerous overtaking.
Koome ningi ni anireire mugururio wa ngari kiumbe iria cikoretwo cikiruta wira ta ngari cia ukui wa muingi.
Wale wote wako kwa hayo, uko na gari yako ya kutumia yako binafsi na familia yako, umepeleka kwa matatu, tutashika wewe, you be inconvenienced, tutapeleka kwa kotini. Ciege ungumania nyambo-ini Koome ni arutire mukana maabithaa ake na kuria ruhonge rwa kuhura na ungumania EACC gwika mitoke guikia ngono aria marekuruhania na ndeto eno. Hii upuzi ya kuchukua shilingi ya 100 kwa barabara tutaacha. Utashikwa na EACC. EACC wakati unashika wewe iko makamera hapa. Sasa unaanza kuweka inaitwa nini? Face mask ujifunike, unaanza kuweka goggles. Ni kwa sababu unajua umefanya makosa, ni aibu. Familia yako inakuona ati ulichukua shilingi 2,000. It's embarrassing. It is ugly.
Maya magithiaga na mbere Koome ni athite maabithaa a ugitiri aria mari rutha gucokereria wira-ini o rio.
To further enhance police visibility and security in the country, we have also directed all officers who are currently on leave to resume duty with immediate effect. I wish to call upon members of the public to remain vigilant even as we celebrate and report any crime or suspicious activities to the nearest police station or through the police hotline numbers 999 112 911 and 0800 722 203. I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year 2024.
Gerifotera Kameme TV, Jeta Getau wa Wajiko.